Hi, the bear crawls. You think bear crawls are just a warm-up? Think again. This primal movement fires up your core, shoulders, and legs, and boosts coordination, mobility, conditioning all at once. Here's how to do it right and why it matters. Let's get to it. Get down on the floor, put your palms down, shoulders directly over your palms, hips directly over your knees. Tuck your toes under and lift up your knees 1 inch off the ground. Squeeze your core, tighten up, and start moving. Right palm and your left foot at the same time, and then left and right following. Continue for a few steps forward and reverse it backwards. You should feel it in your core, in your quads, in your shoulders. It's a full body movement that challenges you all over. Be very mindful. Don't rush. Do not wiggle your hips. Pretend like you have a cup of hot coffee on your back. And if you move your hips too much, you're gonna spill it. You're gonna burn yourself. Good luck.